Don't. Hey! Don't just leave me in. Who do you think's better? Leave a comment. The cat or the dog? Who do you think won the fight? The cat or the dog? Who? Who's better? Okay. This is the end of the video. Sorry if this is posted right after that one. We just had to.